Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending May 31st, the three major indexes were down at least a half of 1% as investors digested the week's economic data and grappled with interest rate and inflation concerns. The home price index increased by 0.1% in March, 6.7% on a year-over-year basis. The Consumer Confidence Index increased from 97.5 in April to 102 in May. It was the first increase in 4 months. The current Beige Book report noted that the U.S. economy continued to expand at a slight or modest pace, with retail spending somewhat flat as consumers were price sensitive. The first quarter revision of GDP came in weaker than expected at 1.3% due to weaker consumer demand. The PCE price index was revised down to 2%. The pending home sales index, a leading indicator of housing activity, measuring housing contract activity, plunged a more than expected 7.7% in April. Expectations were 0.15%. And personal income for April increased as expected, up 0.3%, while personal consumption expenditures came in below expectations, up 0.2%. Year to date, the Dow is up 2.7%, the S&P is up 10.7%, and the Nasdaq is up 11.5%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.49%. Oil closed at $77.37 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,326.96 an ounce, with silver closing at $30.41 an ounce. For this week of June 3rd, Monday we'll get construction spending, auto sales, and the ISM Manufacturing Index. Tuesday, factory orders and job openings will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get the ADP Employment Report, the ISM Services Index, U.S. Productivity, and the U.S. Trade Deficit. Thursday, initial jobless claims will be reported. And on Friday, the Employment Report, the unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, wholesale inventories, and consumer credit all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give me a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a complimentary financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.